Okay, so this is how I'm going to do like comparisons and logic. So to start off, we have the A register, which is right here. It takes an input of 8 bits and an output of 8 bits, so that's the 74 to 73. And it also has a load signal and a reset signal. So the reset is tied to like a master button connected to all the components that have resets, and the load is just not shown in this diagram, but here's a list of all the load signals. But yeah, so it's just a 8-bit register, and the output is connected to all these orange wires. So first you have the comparator, there's an ALU, and there's a right shifter. Okay, and then there's the B register. So it's the same thing as the A register, but its outputs just go into the ALU and it could read from the bus. And then there's the C register, it reads from the bus and it outputs to the comparator. So you can see the A register and the C register, they're used to compare, and the A register and the B register are also used to compare. I realized later that I don't even need a C register. I could just tie this comparator with the B register, but like there's some instructions that I want the B register to be preserved, so I think this, like, it's alright. And the A register could output to the bus, and here's the output. So there's different flags I want. Here's the flags that I want. Like, I need to still decode the logic for this. It's not that hard. I just need to look at the truth tables. But I want A equals C, A not equal to C, A greater than C, A less than C, and a carry flag. And I might also add a not, not carry flag also. And then here's like what I showed in a previous video, like how the program counter will be loaded. So it needs to have a condition. One of these conditions need to be accepted. There's also one more condition that I need to add to this OR gate. That's not in this diagram. It's a condition for if a jump instruction, like these are for branch ifs. If any branch ifs are on here, and then there's gonna be one for like a jump, no matter what. Like there's no condition. And then the PCN is the signal that is when it's called in the instruction set or from the control ROMs, and then that will lead to the program counter, and that's synchronized with the clock in the 74-161, so I don't need to do anything with the clock. And yeah, that's basically it.